Dad, I love you because you're my dad.
What do you love most
There's
about
so
Dad?
many things that I love about you, Dad, but I think the thing I love the most is just talking to you in the car.
Daddy, you are super awesome and smart.
Okay.
And I love you so, 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 so much.
What is your favorite thing about Daddy?
Say something.
I love him because he has fuzz on him, and I love his fuzz because I like his fuzzy hats. And he's the best dad ever because he's the best dad in the whole world because I love him, and he has, and I like his fuzz on him because I like the fuzzy hats.
Hairy stomach.
Actually, I like his hair on him because I like his hairy hats.
Okay. Look right here and tell Daddy what you want to tell him for Father's Day.
What?
What do you want to tell Daddy for Father's Day?
And he's the best dad ever.
Well, then tell him.
Daddy, you're the best dad ever.
Happy
Father's Day, we love you.